Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is mag-unbox tayo ng new phone ko. Yay! Finally! After 15 years of using an Android phone, I got myself an iPhone! Yeah, I'm so happy! I'm so excited! So, let's do this! Oh my god, this is it. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Fuck, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh yeah. The cable, no charger, no headphone. Oh my god, I get a new phone. Oh, boy. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god. I love it. Oh, nanginginig kamay ko, sorry. Look. Oh my god. Yay! Do I deserve please? Yeah, okay, I deserve this. Naiyak ako, best! I'm sorry. Hindi ko naman kasi in-expect na bibili ako nito. Let's open. This is my early gift for myself for my 31st birthday. Ano ba yan? Sorry. I cried. English. Philippines. Where's Philippines in here? My phone, oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh my god, fuck, oh my god. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, mabawal. Sorry for crying. Sorry. I'm just happy. I'm just so happy that finally I got this. What's the password? I need to check the password first. Connected. Face ID. Hindi kilala ba ako ng iPhone dito? Kailangan pa talaga. Ano ba yan? Ganito ba to? Face ID is now set up. Okay. Password. Password. that's it, guys. I'm so happy now. I need to transfer my some apps to my new phone. Bye. Thank you for watching.